Everyone. This is a really quick tutorial to get you started, just to do some general research for your personal essay. I have a longer tutorial for when we get to your research paper. So let's start by going up here to your URL line and type in library.stonybrook.edu, and we're going to go to the library homepage. And you're going to see that when we get to the library homepage, we have this gray search box here. You can start here, but notice that the red tab is on everything. We want to get to some scholarly journals. So instead, I want to go to databases down here underneath the gray search box. I'm going to click on databases. I'm going to show you the biggest database. You can see they come to you in alphabetical order. And if you have a certain database that you want to get to, you can use the alphabets up here, but we're just going to do Academic Search Complete right here in the A's, Academic Search Complete. That's one of the biggest databases that covers a wide range of topics. It's prompting me to sign in. And then it takes you to EBSCOhost, which is the server, but then you can see under here searching, it's in Academic Search Complete database. So let's say I want to find out something about childhood trauma. I'm going to type that in, and since it's 2 words, I'm going to put quote marks around those 2 words so that they appear together in any article that it searches. And I'm going to hit search and see what comes up. This next part is really important. What you want to do is go to the left here, and on these limiters where it says limit to, I'm going to click on full text, and then it revises my search, and then I'm going to go back down and click on scholarly peer reviewed so that I only get scholarly peer reviewed, and then I'm going to do more recent articles here by publication date and maybe go from 2010 to current 2020. So now I've done 3 limiters and I'm down to, wow, 1,485 results. That's okay though. I'm just going to look at these. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Oh, maybe I wrote about that for my my essay, and I'm going to click on that, and you can see under here is full text, but I can click on that. All of these scholarly journals are going to have an abstract, and they're going to tell you what they're about in the abstract. So you don't have to read the whole article when you're looking. You can just look at the abstract and see if it's something that you're interested in. If it is something you're interested in, go over here to the right, click on email. Then over here, click on citation format, scroll down and choose MLA citation format. Then I'm going to email it to myself by putting my email in this box. And when I send it, it's going to give me the citation for this so that I can put that on my works cited list of my personal essay. So I'm going to go ahead and send that, and then I'll show you that in my actually I'm not going to show it to you. So that's a way that you can find anything you're looking for. I can go back to my result list and keep looking. One more little tip, you can get more under each of your results by going up here to page option and then detailed, and it'll give you part of that abstract under each one of your search. If you're getting too much and you have a certain kind of childhood trauma, maybe poverty, so I'm going to put childhood trauma and in capital letters poverty, and that's going to give me articles with these 2 words and the word poverty in there. And then let's see how much I come up with for that new search. Now I'm down to 18 articles. That's a little more manageable. So let's go back again. I'm going to go back to Library, Stony Brook. I go to the home page of the library. I click on databases under here. Then I scroll down because I'm in the A's. I scroll down to academic search complete. Then I put my search terms in here. Not all caps, but you can use the and in all caps. Watch out for spelling errors because that's not going to help you when you do your search. And then click on your search button. And then to the left, do your limiters, full text, scholarly, and go for some more recent ones. And you're all set to go. And look at your search results. You are going to, oops, I changed that. You're going to email the citation to yourself once you click on a search result, click on email, click on MLA, and then email it to yourself so you have the proper citation. And find an article that has some good quotes in it for you to incorporate into your personal essay.